An old Hilti TE7 right there. There we go. Oh. Alright. There's a proper Hilti. That's actually a lithium one actually, sorry. That was an old NiCad. Yeah. Armature's burnt out of it. Big black segment there. She's gone. That's your blown segment. So then there's a speed pickup there on the bottom too. And she also has a rust on it. There was water damage. Not much to it, even for a Hilti. Field itself is fine. Quickly clean up will sort that. Housing's good. Brushes are worn and burnt. So I need brushes, I need an armature to get this up and running again. I'll probably just replace that taco as well, just in case. Looks pretty tidy in there. Press out this armature. That's her. That's the old one. That's the new one. Dust shading all fitted. Nice one. Press this on. Press that on like that. Don't go too mad. Just have this top of the bearing sleeve on the armature flush with the top of the bearing. You can't press it on further, and if you do, you'll jam the fan on the housing. Just watch that one. That's that. Now your field, just watch. The magnets are not actually stuck to the steel field. They actually locate into these wee pins down here. That's what actually holds these together and stops the actual magnets moving. That and your dust shield. If you are changing an armature on a machine, any machine, always change the brushes as well. They're well worn anyway. That's the size they should be. This one wasn't sent in with a chuck, so I can't test it with an SDS bit, but this is the striker here sticking out. So I can actually press this against the steel and see if the hammer's working on it. Yep. That's her, on Hilti TE7A with a new armature and brushes.